Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Cheryl Mendez from Philippines. I am 34 years old. I am married. I have three kids. I have two daughters and one son, ages 15, 12, and 10 years old. I completed 2 years vocational course. I work as nanny and helper here in Philippines within 6 years. I serve 4 members of the family, one couple and two children, ages 4 and 1 year old. My main responsibilities there was doing household chores like cooking, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, gardening, and taking good care of their children. I am also hardworking, patient, compassionate, and honest. I can assure you, ma'am and sir, that I will love and care and treat your children as my own. So, to my future employer, thank you for giving me a chance to work with you and with your good family. God bless and thank you.